All right, big breaking development that we're picking up at this hour. Prime Minister Modi is in Leh. Important development that has taken place. Of course, no one saw this coming, but Prime Minister Modi, who is in Leh, visiting Leh with CDS General Bipin Rawat. Big development because this comes at a time that we are looking at several military talks taking place on the LAC standoff in Ladakh. General Bipin Rawat, of course, was already scheduled to visit Leh this morning, but Prime Minister Modi, we have been told, is now accompanying CDS General Bipin Rawat. Important development given the standoff with Chinese troops at along the LAC in Ladakh. Also have several military level talks already taking place. We have been keeping our viewers ahead on all that has been transpiring as far as those talks are also concerned. Let's not forget the anti-China sentiment that also is only gaining momentum across the country. Several steps being taken in that direction as well. How Indian government has banned 59 of those Chinese apps. But important development being Prime Minister Modi is in Leh with CDS General Bipin Rawat. Comes at a time when several developments have been taking place after the June 15 clash in Ladakh, where 20 of our soldiers were martyred in the face-off with Chinese troops. Prime Minister Modi is in Leh. General Bipin Rawat, of course, was supposed to review the military preparedness in Ladakh, also was supposed to meet the injured soldiers, would have met all the corps commander as well there and sought a report on how exactly are we looking at the recent developments. But Prime Minister Modi, who is with General Bipin Rawat, important development. Tejinder Singh Sodhi, our Jammu Bureau Chief, joining us with more details. Tejinder, no one saw this coming. What more details can you share, please? Tejinder? All right, we'll try and get our reporters on what we can expect. A very, very important visit. Prime Minister Modi, who's arrived in Ladakh with CDS General Bipin Rawat. Extremely unexpected, but now Prime Minister of the country visiting Ladakh, given the sensitivity of the situation and how so many developments have been taking place, this clearly goes down to put out an example of how Prime Minister Modi himself is taking stock of the situation from the front. Remember how even the Raksha Mantri is scheduled to visit Ladakh. So the top leadership now taking control of the situation, personally monitoring the situation in Ladakh. And we have Tejinder back with us, who will be bringing to light all that we can expect from this visit. Tejinder.
Yes, Christine, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has, what we have been told that he has arrived in Ladakh, where he will be briefed by the top commanders of the army about the current situation prevailing on the line of actual control between India and China. So this clearly shows that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi is leading from the front, and he himself has reached Leh, where he will be briefed about the current situation, about the line on the line of actual control between India and China. We know that there has been a standoff between both the sides since April this year, where we also witnessed the violent clashes between the Indian Army and the PLA, in which 20 of our brave hearts, they attained martyrdom, and more than 40 Chinese soldiers were also killed. There have been several rounds of dialogue that have been held between both the sides. The dialogue at the corps commander level were held at both the sides, wherein both the sides, they also agreed to de-escalate the situation, to disengage from the places where the standoff is taking place. But this shows the commitment of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is leading from the front, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached Leh. We are told that he is accompanied by the army chief, though further details are awaited. But yes, this is a big news coming, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, because earlier it was said that Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, along with the army chief, would be visiting Leh, but this is the Prime Minister himself has reached Leh where he will be interacting. He will be briefed by senior officials of not only the Leh administration, but also he will be briefed by the senior generals of the army at the ground. Though right now it's not clear that whether Prime Minister Narendra Modi would also be visiting the forward areas. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi reaching Leh clearly shows how seriously the situation at the line of actual control is being taken by the government of India. Prime Minister himself leading from the front, reaching the ground zero where both the armies from the Indian and
ले आना प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का इस तनाव के बीच यहाँ पर पहुंचना एक बहुत बड़ा संदेश है कि कैसे प्रधानमंत्री पल पल नजर रख रहे हैं। प्रधानमंत्री ने ये साफ तौर पर लगातार संदेश दिया था कि कैसे हम अपनी 1 इंच भी जमीन से पीछे नहीं हटेंगे। जो शहीद हुए उनकी शहादत बर्बाद नहीं जाएगी। प्रधानमंत्री लगातार ये कहते रहे और आपको याद होगा पिछले दिनों मन की बात में भी उन्होंने यही कहा था कि लद्दाख में हमने सीधा जवाब दिया है। ये नया इंडिया है जो जवाब देने पर यकीन करता है और हम लगातार देख रहे हैं कि जिस तरह से सरकार आर्थिक, कूटनीतिक और सामरिक स्तर पर चीन को घेर रही है, उस लिहाज से प्रधानमंत्री का खुद आना ले, श्वेता समझिए खुद ले आना प्रधानमंत्री का लद्दाख में आकर के तमाम चीजों को करीब से समझना, जमीनी हालात को समझना, ये चीन को एक बहुत बड़ा संदेश है। सोचिए अगर हमारे प्रधान अध्यक्ष यहाँ पर पहुंच रहे हैं, वो हर एक चीज को बारीकी से देख रहे हैं, तो ये कितना कड़ा संदेश है चीन को कि हमारी तैयारियां कितनी बड़ी हैं, हमारी तैयारियां कितनी पुख्ता है। क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री का उस जमीनी स्थिति को खुद करीब से जानना, सैन्य स्तर के अधिकारियों से बातचीत करना और अचानक पहुंचना ले, ये बहुत बड़ा मैसेज है कि हम किस तरह से हर एक चीज को समझ रहे हैं। देखिए एक बहुत बड़ा संदेश प्रधानमंत्री दे रहे हैं कि पल पल किस तरह से वो सेना के साथ है, पल पल वो किस तरह से जमीनी हकीकत पर खुद नजर बनाए हुए हैं, पल पल वो लगातार अपडेट ले रहे हैं और लगातार जब जब उन्होंने संबोधन किया जनता के बीच तो इस बात को उन्होंने पुरजोर तरीके से रखा कि कैसे लेह में हमने जवाब दिया है, कैसे हम हर पल तैयार हैं और ये वो नया भारत है जो जवाब देने पर यकीन करता है। इस बात का एहसास प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हर भारतवासियों को पल पल करा रहे थे। लेकिन श्वेता अचानक प्रधानमंत्री का यहां पर पहुंचना, सीडीएस बिपिन रावत उनके साथ मौजूद है, ये एक बहुत बड़ा संदेश है कि यहां से अगर कुछ भी होता है, अगर आप चीन किसी भी तरीके की कोशिश करता है तो कैसे उसको एक बहुत बड़ा जवाब दिया जाएगा। कल हमने ये सुना था कि इससे पहले डिफेंस मिनिस्टर आने वाले थे लेकिन वो उनका दौरा कैंसिल हुआ था और अब प्रधानमंत्री का यहां पर खुद पहुंच जाना ये बहुत बड़ा मैसेज है कि कैसे ये न्यू इंडिया जवाब देता है, कैसे हम अपनी चीजों को बहुत बारीकी से देख रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं। और देखिए सेना के मनोबल को भी बहुत बढ़ाने वाला है क्योंकि लगातार सेना यहां पर जिस तरह से ज्वाइंट ऑपरेशन
All right. Shweta reporting from Ladakh will be of course sharing more details with us because certainly an unprecedented move. No one saw this coming, though there was a confirmation of CDS General Bipin Rawat visiting Ladakh today personally, who will be monitoring the military preparedness along the LAC as far as the standoff with Chinese troops is concerned. But Prime Minister Modi himself leading from the front. He is in Leh Ladakh with General Bipin Rawat, will himself be monitoring the situation, taking a stock of the situation there. Indeed, a sensitive time, and Prime Minister Modi sending out a message loud and clear to China that he is leading from the front, and all that he has been saying these past few days, he really does mean it when he says that the sacrifice of 20 of our brave hearts will not go in vain, and we do not want war with China, but if we are provoked and intimidated, we will not stay silent. Prime Minister Modi, who is now in Leh Ladakh, will review the on-ground security situation amid the border standoff with China and the progress in talks with Chinese military as well. Will personally also most likely meet the troops there, will interact with the soldiers. A morale booster definitely for the forces because Prime Minister Modi himself is in Leh Ladakh now. The unannounced visit comes just a day after Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also put off his own visit to the forward locations. He too will be visiting Leh Ladakh, but that has now been scheduled for later. Prime Minister Modi in Leh with General Bipin Rawat. The government was waiting to see if Chinese would honor the commitments made during the Corps Commander level talks, and now an important development that has taken place post those military level talks.